What's up, guys? Project Vet here. We'll be doing a distributor today. This is the one that came with the car when I bought it. It's a 1979 Corvette 350 small block, the turbo 350 transmission. So the reason for doing this is because driving 10-15 minutes it'll start to cut out and it'll even die, leave me on the highway. So hopefully this solves the issue. I don't know much about distributors. I talked to a few people. They said it sounded like this could be the issue. So that's what we're going to be doing. We got a MSD Street Fire distributor. So I'm hoping this is at least an upgrade and we'll take care of the issue and we'll be good to go. From what I've seen, the first thing to do is pull the cylinder 1 spark plug, which I'm going to do right now. There's the boot. Get that in there. Wonder how many fireballs we're gonna have shoot out from putting it in the wrong time. That'd be fun. We can see a spark plug. Need some help tuning the carburetor too. Looks like I'm running a little rich, a lot of rich, but we'll get that figured out too. So no issues. Next step, take this cap off, see where the rudder's at. These spark plugs aren't final configuration. This has been a project. It's been going on since last, I think, October is when I got it. So just when I get extra money, I do work to it. I put the new carburetor on it. Going for a new distributor. Gonna get a full set of same plugs. I bought MSDs before. One of the boots ripped, so I had to replace it. And one of the clips weren't clipping properly. So I might not go back with MSD wires. We'll see. Is this the right tool? It is. Okay, all unclipped. Pull these wires down. I need to get a new clip for this. When I picked up the car, it was already broken. The plastic clip that holds those wires, so that needs to be replaced. Pull this up. Our rotor's pointing to our vacuum advance. Disconnect this clip. Get a good side on it. We may need to spin the motor over. Mark there. We're gonna make a little mark where the rotor's sitting. Honestly, back there. Just gonna mark that top wire. But it's all good. Now we can take all these off. I would mark them so I know which one they go to, but like I said, this isn't a final configuration. So okay, we got her sit down flush now. Hard to see, but we are out of where we marked it, so we're gonna have to pull it and get her sit in the right spot because we're definitely out of time right now. So now we're out again, so I'm gonna pull it, grab my screwdriver, turn it a little bit, and see how that works. So we overheated on the camera, so had to go let it cool off. The distributor will not sit down all the way, so I'm gonna try to turn the oil pump. Give me 1 second. see how that works. We have to account for the helical cut gears, but it's going to spin just a little bit. We'll put her in there. Nope. That's not it again. Pull it back out. Bear with me, first time for this. We should be pretty lined up. So I think we're in there. I hope it's in time. If not, we're gonna have a fireball and we'll see what happens. I mean, trial and error. If you don't know how to do it, you need to figure out. So we're gonna give her a shot. So this is what we're looking like. I have no clue if it's right. We're just gonna put everything back together, hook up the wires, and see if it pops out of the exhaust and not out of the carburetor. That's the hopes. But trial and error, that's how we learn. Y'all watch for fireballs for me. So it helps to put the spark plug back in. You definitely need that. But it fired up, so we'll take our wins how we can. Yep. Got the spark plug in down there. But it's hard to see, but she's in there. So let's try it again. Hopefully it goes good. Not gonna run it too long. I don't know where the timing is. I do have a timing light. I'm gonna see if I can do it with how bright it is outside and get a just rough estimate where we're sitting. I'm probably gonna set it at like 14. I read that's good. If y'all have any other suggestions, let me know. For start timing, then I'll have to do overall later. So yeah, let's do that now. Here's my timing light. It has RPMs. You can set it as your wanted timing, but we're just going to see where we're at. So I got her tightened down to where I think it needs to be. We're gonna check it. It kept spinning back on me while I was trying to. And we're about 12 or 13. Hard to do this and record. Actually, I think we're at 13, 14 about. So I might just leave it there, do some research, see where it needs to be at, and then I'm gonna call it good. So it seems to work okay. It seems to be running smoother, but only time will tell how we have it set, depending on what it does. So that'll be it. Thanks.